What if I told you there's a way, not a fairy tale, not a lottery, but a genuine, tried and tested blueprint to getting rich quick? Today, you are going to learn how to get rich fast, step by step. We'll dissect getting rich with clarity and even provide answers on how do I get rich fast, because I think you should be told. Stay tuned with me because by the end of this video, you won't just have concept, but also steps you can take, and I'll share with you a personal story of how I became a millionaire. And hey, before we go in further, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so you don't miss future videos on wealth, business, and entrepreneurship. Let's get in. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. Part 1. The myth and the reality. First, let's shatter a myth. If you search for how to get rich fast, how to become rich fast, or how do you get rich, most of them will guarantee overnight riches, lottery, crypto, get-rich schemes, and most of them do not work or are scams. The reality is becoming a millionaire is rarely by chance. It's a combination of mindset, leverage, execution, and timing. Let me tell you a quick story. 5 years ago, I was living my 9-to-5 paycheck to paycheck life. I fantasized, how do I become rich fast? I searched Google for how can you get rich and scroll through dozens of blog posts promising make $10,000 a day from home. None of them that work out. What did work out? I started a side hustle, a small online tutorial for a skill I know. I reinvested returns over time, built system, scale. I didn't get wealthy in a year or two, but in a few years, I crossed that 7-figure threshold. So if you're asking, how can I become rich fast? Get this, it is possible, but it's not magic. It's deliberate. And today, I'm sharing with you the exact path that I found most reproducible, specifically in the business and entrepreneurship. Part 2. The mindset foundation. Let us get your foundation in place before we go into actual business ideas, because people who figure out how to get rich share a mindset and habits. Number 1, leverage thinking, not time. To become rich fast, you must create leverage, system, automation, teams, so that your income can grow without you working every single hour. Second, long-term thinking and aggressive action. Commit to years of steady progress yet to be bold. Most fail because they never make large bets. Third, unrelenting reiteration. You will fail. The ones who truly know how to become a millionaire learn fast, adjust, and keep moving. Fourth, net worth versus salary. Optimize not just for income, optimize for equity, ownership, investment. Once you get those fundamentals, you'll find a vehicle that brings us to the 5 scalable business models that teach us how to become rich and even get it rich fast. Part 3. 5 scalable business paths. Following are 5 high leverage business models I recommend if you want to accelerate how to become a millionaire, or even how can you get rich fast. Number 1. Start a tech company. Build something people need. The upside is huge. Think Airbnb, Uber. Second, build a subscription-based business. Recurring revenue equal predictable wealth. Third, build and sell online courses. Teach a skill, package it, sell it. That's one path to how I can become a millionaire. 4. Build a SaaS, software as a service. Scalable, recurring income. Fifth, create a mobile app. Solve a real problem. Monetize with subscription or in-app purchases. If someone asks you, how do you become rich fast? Or how can I become rich? The answer is pick one scalable business and just commit and scale fiercely. Step 4. Step-by-step playbook. Okay, theories over. Be strategic. Here's a 7-step playbook to get from idea to millions. Step 1. Discover your skill and market fit. Step 2. Build MVP and prototype. Step 3. Get your first customers. Step 4. Reinforce and reiterate. Step 5. Scale with ads, partnership, and viral loops. Step 6. Automate, delegate, systemize. Step 7. Reinvest and expand. This is the plan in simplified terms for how to become rich fast through business leverage. Common question: how do I get rich? You choose a scalable models and compound growth. You focus on leverage and repeatable system. You follow the 7-step roadmap and scale. Part 5. Common pitfall and truth. Here are things that trap most millionaires and how to avoid them. Number 1, perfectionist. Number 2, scaling broken funnels. Third, ignoring cash flow. Fourth, losing customer focus. Fifth, burnout. When you avoid these traps, you not just learn how to get rich, but also how do you become rich fast with discipline and execution. Part 6. Real life example. Meet Sarah. She wondered how to get rich fast. She didn't have millions of capital. She built an online fitness course, reinvest profit, launched a subscription app, and within 2 years, she figured out how I can become a millionaire in real life. If anyone asks, that's exactly how, not luck, but leverage and persistence. To summarize, scams and shortcuts won't show you how to get rich fast. Real wealth comes from scalable business models, leverage, and consistency. You now know how to become a millionaire and get rich fast. It's all through focused execution. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Which model will you use to become a millionaire fast? Would it be tech? Would it be course, subscription, or app? See you in the next one. Build, scale, and I'll catch you to be a millionaire.